Welcome to the Myriad Mobile capstone video. Myriad Mobile is a software development company located in downtown Fargo. They have a split focus in their company between the solution side and the Bushel platform. The solution side makes custom softwares for clients that are mainly focused in the agriculture industry, and Bushel is the platform that connects farmers to grain elevators, and they use that for a lot of mobile apps that they have. We were tasked with porting an existing iOS proof of concept app that they provided us to Android. The screenshot of the existing iOS app is down there on the right. The point of the app is to create scenarios and see possible profit outcomes for different things related to harvest. So it includes things like yield per acre, cost per acre, price, and basis, which is essentially a local tax. How we solved the problem: we created a new Android app that modeled the functionality of the iOS app. We developed it using Android Studio, and we wrote the code for the app in Kotlin. Myriad Mobile Android team uses Kotlin for creating all of their new Android apps, and using Kotlin you can do a lot more with a lot less code than you can with Java.
Okay, now we'll demo the features of our app. So this is what the app looks like when it's loaded, and it has no scenarios. So we'll create a scenario by hitting the plus button. Then you select your crop. These come from the JSON file, so if you used a live JSON file there would be more crop options here, but for our demo we just have one. Then you pick the delivery date you're going to use and select next. Name your scenario. Enter the acres that you're growing on, your harvested bushels, and the bushels per acre will get calculated for you. Input your total costs, and the cost per acre gets calculated. Then you want to input your local basis, and then hit save, and your risk matrix gets calculated. You can see on the left side is the different sell prices that you might get when you go to sell your crops, and then on the top is the range of yields that you could get. There's also some other information on this screen, like at the top the total income and the margin. Then at the bottom you can see the information you input into your scenario. If you want to see different ranges on the risk matrix, hit the edit range button. Then you can drag these sliders to see different possible yields or sell prices that you could end up with. Okay. Then if you want to edit your scenario, just click the pencil button, and you can change any of these inputs that you put in originally. And you can see the new matrix here. So if we go back, now this is what the title screen of the app looks like now that we have a scenario. So you can go back into this scenario and see your matrix again. You can also delete it from this screen. And there's also a delete all button on the main page.